from Helga's Pennsylvania Cooking. Fall is here, and along with apples, pears are also really popular, and I don't think enough people do enough with pears. So today I'm going to make a simple pear tart. I'm probably going to do a couple other pear recipes here in the near future, but today I want to do this simple pear tart. You can use Anjou pears, those are probably the best. However, I'm using pears actually from our farm. So this was actually from a tree my dad planted a long time ago. So it's kind of special to me too. Anyhow, pear tart, that's what we're making today. Let's get to it. So this is pretty simple. I'm using the regular pie crust recipe that I've used before, so I'll put a link to it. I had some in the freezer that I have out to thaw. Obviously the pears in my tart pan, sugar, brown sugar, flour, cinnamon, butter, and a little rum. The rum really brings out the fruit flavors. If you don't want to use rum, you can use lemon juice, but rum it is for me. I have my oven preheating to 400 degrees, and I've taken my pears and sliced them and just arranged them in a fan shape. Because they're smaller, it's 2 layers. Now we're going to work on what goes on top of them. Next we're just going to combine the sugars and the flour and the butter and the cinnamon, and I'm going to knife that all in so it's like a crumble. And I've just cut this in so you can see that it's all crumbly like this, and we're going to put that on top of our tart. Before I put the crumble topping on, I'm going to put our rum. This really brings out the fruit flavor, and it also helps make it a little bit more tender. And you can add, I'm just going to sprinkle this all over, and then as this bakes, this will melt and caramelize down into the pears. And she's ready to go into the 400 degrees preheated oven. It'll be about half hour, 35 minutes. And it's done. Look how good that looks. You know what comes next. And she's done. You know what comes next. Just look at that beautiful top. Here it is, in all its lovely pear tart sweetness. Pears get often overlooked, and I think it's a shame, because they're a wonderful, wonderful fruit. Oh my God, guys. That is so good. Put a little whipped cream on top, to die for. Really, really good. Delicious. Like I said, if you like pears, they're a really nice addition. So that's my pear tart. Give it a shot. It's a very simple recipe, great for fall harvest. And you know, spice it up a little bit. It's nice to make different things, and tarts are so easy. You can use almost any fruit that there is. So give it a shot. Pear tart.